Ever had one of those days where everything seems to go wrong? Maybe you woke up feeling drained, got bad news, or just can't shake off negative thoughts. It feels like life is working against you, and staying positive seems impossible. But here's the truth: your mindset has more power than your circumstances. No matter how bad things get, you have the ability to shift your focus, regain control, and bring light into even the darkest moments. In this video, we'll explore 5 practical ways to stay positive, even on your worst days. These strategies are backed by psychology and real life experiences. Let's get started. Reframe the situation, shift your perspective. When things go wrong, our natural instinct is to dwell on what's bad. But what if you could train your mind to see setbacks as opportunities? Instead of thinking, this is the worst day ever, try asking yourself, what can I learn from this? Reframing your thoughts helps you break free from negativity. For example, if you face rejection, see it as redirection towards something better. The key is to catch negative thoughts early and replace them with more constructive ones. Over time, this habit rewires your brain to handle difficulties with resilience. Practice gratitude, focus on what's going right. On bad days, it's easy to get trapped in a cycle of frustration, but gratitude is a powerful antidote. Even when everything feels like it's falling apart, there's always something to be thankful for. It could be as simple as having a supportive friend, a roof over your head, or even the ability to start fresh tomorrow. Studies show that practicing gratitude reduces stress and increases overall happiness. A simple trick: write down 3 things you're grateful for, even if they seem small. This practice shifts your attention from what's wrong to what's right, helping you stay positive even in tough times. Control what you can, let go of what you can't. One of the biggest sources of stress comes from trying to control things that are beyond our reach. Maybe it's other people's opinions, unexpected challenges, or things from the past. The truth is, worrying about what you can't change only drains your energy. Instead, focus on what you can control: your reactions, your mindset, and your next step. When you accept that not everything is within your power, you free yourself from unnecessary frustration. This mental shift helps you stay calm and positive, no matter how chaotic life gets. Engage in small acts of self-care. When you're having a rough day, self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Think of it like refueling your energy tank. Whether it's listening to music, taking a walk, meditating, or even treating yourself to your favorite meal, small self-care acts can make a big difference. The key is to do something that lifts your mood, even if it's just for a few minutes. When you prioritize yourself, you create a buffer against negativity, making it easier to bounce back from challenges. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a huge role in your mindset. If you're constantly around negativity, whether it's toxic people, negative news, or social media drama, it's going to be harder to stay positive. Instead, make an effort to surround yourself with uplifting influences. Talk to a supportive friend, listen to motivational content, or engage in activities that bring you joy. Positivity is contagious, and the more you expose yourself to it, the easier it becomes to maintain a positive outlook, even on bad days.